We'll guide you through how to download WinRAR in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. WinRAR is a file utility app. It allows you to go and compress files and extract them amongst many other things as well. Go and open up a web browser of your choice like so. And what you can do is go and type in WinRAR like this. I'm just using Google, but it doesn't matter. Come to win-rar.com. So you can go and buy WinRAR over to the right, or we can download it and start with the trial. So in this case, I'll press download WinRAR and then press download WinRAR at the bottom. Shortly, the download is going to begin, as you can see. After you've downloaded it, we can head to our downloads. Open your file explorer and press it to the left. Find winrar.exe and double click on it. Now what we need to do is go and read through this here. So we're currently getting the trial version, and you can choose a destination folder. Press install when you're ready, and you can choose what you want to associate WinRAR with. Press OK, and we can then press done. You've now downloaded it and installed it. So if I go and select some files here, I can go and right click, and then we'll see the option for WinRAR. I can hover over it and add it to a archive, for example, like so. There it is. I can double click on it, and I can then go and extract it as well.